From killing zeros to killing heroes. From Wuhan to infecting millions. Coronavirus infectious disease should not kill billions. From China to America, Africa to Europe, all the way to Asia. God spare the globe. For Corona has localized and present even the Pope. It shook continents in no time and left countries perplexed, demarcated. God have mercy on us. COVID-19 has held us by the neck. It has no boundary. It chooses no color, no race, no gender. It sweeps the poor and the rich, mansion owners and the homeless. No hospital is big enough to accommodate all patients. No cemetery is big enough to bury all infected. Stay safe, stay hygiene, clean and sanitized. There is life beyond Corona. There is life after COVID. Law breaking have consequences. No disobedience goes unpunished. Unfortunately, those who do not listen will spread the globe assassin, a silent killer, a quiet murderer. Keep this in mind. There is life beyond COVID. Behold, those states leaders and village dwellers are diagnosed. If we obey instructions, we shall still see the sun again. We shall witness the sun heat rising against these dark moments. Even cyclones come and go, so shall this pandemic. No man is faster than Corona, but still no virus lasts forever. Behold, there is life after Corona. There is hope beyond Corona. Let us remain safe until we meet again with a smile and affection, for there is life